Ever wondered if those viral denture cleaning gadgets are actually doing anything or just selling you a shiny promise? Today we're talking about Celize Denture CleanPro, the ultrasonic plus UV cleaner that's been getting a lot of attention lately, and here's the real deal after digging into it. This device claims to use ultrasonic waves to shake loose debris and bacteria from dentures, aligners, and retainers, while the UV light is supposed to help sanitize and kill germs. On paper, that sounds solid because ultrasonic cleaning is a real technology used in professional settings. But the question is whether this compact consumer version actually delivers noticeable results. From what I found, the cleaning performance can vary. Some users report that it does a decent job removing light buildup and everyday residue, especially when used consistently, while others feel it struggles with tougher stains or deep cleaning, meaning you may still need traditional brushing or soaking methods alongside it. The UV feature also sounds impressive, but in small devices like this, its effectiveness depends heavily on exposure time and coverage, which isn't always clearly explained. Build quality and ease of use seem fairly standard, nothing overly premium, but not terrible either, so it's somewhere in the middle. When it comes to trust signals, the product has mixed feedback online. Not overly negative, but definitely not overwhelmingly convincing either, which suggests it's not a miracle solution. Overall, Celize Denture CleanPro doesn't come off as a scam, but it also doesn't fully live up to the hype you might see in ads. So if you're expecting a professional level deep clean, you might be disappointed, but for basic maintenance, it could still have some value depending on your expectations.